In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a shift to sprint system in Roblox Studio. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. This is perfect for giving your players a more dynamic movement in your game. First, we need to open Roblox Studio and make sure you have a game loaded where you want this feature. Start by going to the starter player, but before that, make sure your Explorer tab is visible. So if it is not visible, just go to the Home tab and click on Explorer and your Explorer tab will be visible. Now you will see starter player. Just click on the little arrow to expand the starter player and you will see starter character script. Here we will insert a local script. This is important because sprinting is something that only affects the player locally, not the whole server. And so I'll just click on the plus icon for starter character script and just add a local script like so. And once the local script is inserted, you are now ready to add the code. I have already prepared a simple script that handles the sprinting functionality. You can copy this from the description to make it super easy. So after copying, just go to the local script and make sure to delete all the pre-existing script that is here. And just press Ctrl V to paste the code exactly. So I'll just zoom out a little bit so it's easier for us to view. So basically this is the script that I have prepared. Once your script is in the place, you can test it by hitting the play icon in Roblox Studio. Now you will see the local sprint diff. So the value is set to 16, so we are just go ahead and play it. Just wait for the game to load. Now this is my normal working speed. So as you can see, I'm working with the letter W on my keyboard. I'm not holding my shift key. So now when I press the shift key like so, you will see our speed will be increased, which means that our code is running perfectly. So now let's go ahead and close this game and configure it some more. At the local sprint diff, you can change this value to whatever you like. So let's say I want my sprint to be more faster. I'm just gonna go ahead and put something like 50 like so. And now when I have added 50, I'm just gonna go ahead and play it again and just wait for the game to load. And this is my normal walking speed. So now when I press shift, you will see that our speed has been successfully increased like so. Now adjust the sprint diff value until you get a speed that feels right for your game. This makes it easy to balance sprinting with the rest of your movement system. And that's it. You have now fully functional shift to sprint system in your Roblox game. Don't forget, if you want to get the script ready to use, I have placed the link in the pinned comment or video description for easy access. And if you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.